Hello and welcome to the fifth lesson of the professional advertising course. This is the ad that we will be working on in this lesson. So let's begin. We start by creating a background like this. As you see, now this is the background that we will be working on. Now we need the product image. I have chosen this one, a yogurt. I have chosen the top one and I have already cropped it. And I have already explained the way to crop an image. Here it is, cropped. Now I add it to the Photoshop. I add it to the design page. I adjust the size a little bit. I copy the layer like this. Then I go here to edit, transform, to flip horizontal. I adjust it a little bit like this. Then I flip it. Now I make this layer beneath this one here. Then I go to luminosity. I lessen like this. Then I press here and I go to this tool. And I press here like this. As you see, we made a little bit of shadow beneath it. Now I will add some effects. This one right here. I add it to the Photoshop. In order to get effects like this one here for free, go to this site, pngtree.com. All you have to do is type the name of the effect that you want here, and you will get plenty of them. As you see, there's this effect, this one, there's a lot. And you can choose whatever effect you like, the one that will suit you. This is the one that I chose. Now we add it to the design page. We adjust its size a little bit. I make it the top layer like this so that it can appear above the yogurt. I zoom in a little bit. There is the yogurt side here I need to cover. Now I will delete what is left of it, like this. And it's gone. This one here. And it's gone a little bit. Good. Now I will adjust the splash color to be inconsistent with the yogurt image. I go here to image adjustments, saturation, oh, I have chosen the wrong layer. I chose the right layer, adjustments, saturation. As you see, there is a shortcut by Ctrl plus U on your keyboard. Now I adjust the color a little bit. Now I go to adjustments, color balance. Now I go to adjustments, levels. Again, the shortcut is Ctrl L. Now it's good. I will add another effect, this one here. I add it to the Photoshop. I add it to the design page. I put it right here. Now I make it the second layer like this. I go to image adjustments, saturation again. Image adjustments, and I go to color balance. That's good. Now I will add this strawberry image right here. I add it to the Photoshop. I crop the background. I already showed you by going to this tool here. We press here and we select delete from our keyboard. Now we add it to the design page. We make it show over the other layer like this. We adjust its place. I adjust the size. Now the strawberry appears like it's outside the yogurt. Now I need it to look like it's inside the yogurt. So I go here, I hide its layer. I go to here, I zoom a little bit first. Now I select these edges like right here. Then I show the strawberry layer like this, then I delete the other one. As you see, it's under the other layer. It appears like it's on the inside, not the outside. I adjust the size a little bit. Then I put it here. I'm gonna copy it a little more times. I'll adjust it a little bit like this. And now this is the final look of our design. Thanks for watching, and I will be meeting you in the next lesson.